How to increase the speed of a YouTube video on a TV. You can adjust the playback speed of YouTube videos on a TV to make them play faster or slower. Here's how you can do it. Step 1. Open the YouTube app on your TV. Launch YouTube. Use your remote to open the YouTube app on your smart TV, Android TV, or streaming device. Play a video. Select and start playing the video you want to adjust. Step 2. Access playback settings. Pause the video. Use your remote to pause the video. Open the settings menu. Look for the settings icon, a gear symbol, in the video player interface. You can usually access this by pressing the Up or More Options button on your remote. Step 3. Adjust playback speed. Select playback speed. Navigate to the playback speed option in the settings menu using your remote. Choose your desired speed. Options like 0.25x, 0.5x, normal, 1.25x, 1.5x, and 2x or similar will be available. Highlight your preferred speed and press OK or Enter on your remote. By following these steps, you can easily increase or adjust the playback speed of YouTube videos on your TV.